Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to change Gmail display density. Friends, if you want to change the view style and size of your Gmail, then you simply need to click on the gear icon. Now here you will find the option of density. You can change it to comfortable or you can use compact. Now in compact you can see it is showing more email and using less space. Now from here you can select any density as per your requirement. I go with comfortable. So friends, like this you can very easily change display density in Gmail. You can also zoom in or zoom out your inbox view by pressing Ctrl plus on your keyboard, or to zoom out you need to press Ctrl minus on your keyboard. So friends, like this you can very easily change Gmail display density. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.